In this video, you'll get an overview how to use Lane's platform functions to design virtual training. There are several ways of how trainer may communicate interact with participants in the virtual training room. Participant can use a microphone or a camera to interact. As well, the interaction can happen with the help of different emojis. Trainer may set the rules in the beginning, so what types of emojis will be used in the specific situations. For example, if participant has the question, can be used the question mark. Or if experience some technical problems, may use dislike emoji. Now you will see the overview of all the variants, all the options of activities for virtual training on lanes. To get the content in the virtual training room, different exercises and activities, instructional designer creates and designs that content, exercises, activities in the program builder and plans how virtual room will be managed. For a mini lecture on lanes, there is mini lecture slide activity. That's how it looks like in the virtual training room. Trainer and participants, all of them, may see it in the content area. It can be audio or a video activity too. So mini lecture slide, video and audio is visible for trainer and participants in the content area, like if they do them in a full group. Please notice that the next activity goes with the button next, and trainer manages to move to the next stage during the training in the virtual classroom. Besides content in the form of mini lecture slides or video or audio, there are some exercises and activities participants may do in teams individually or in a full group. This is the example of poll, where participants need to rate something in the scale from 1 to 5. For thinking skills development on lanes, there are some exercises for solving cases, working and discussing some situations, and doing the exercises in teams individually or in a full group. It's the example of very popular activity, exercise, which can be fulfilled in collaboration in teams. With the button next, trainer divides participants into different teams. It's fulfilled randomly, but trainer can manage the process too. So trainer can, for example, drag and drop participants from one team to another one, can change the places, as well may delete the team group or create another one, may add a new team. So there are different actions trainer can do in the process of training in the virtual training room. After the completion of the exercise, participants can make presentations in a full group, may comment on their ideas, and probably participate in a discussion. For communication skills development, on lanes there is activity Fishbowl. Trainer divides participants into the roles, defines those two who will be in active roles, and others can be observers with the specific observation checklist. One more activity for communication skills development on lanes, role-playing game. In this activity, participants do play different roles in their small teams. They get different roles in their teams and do work in those teams in the role playing. This is how it looks like from the inside the breakout room, the team for the role playing game. Trainer may join the teams if there is a need of answering some question, giving additional instructions, or probably communicate with participants. In activities which are executed in the teams, as well, green indicator shows the progress of the team, that the team completed the task. As well, if participant leaves the training, trainer may see it with that indicator, for example, uses another tab and not involved in the activity. After the virtual training, participants may download the summary of the whole training. It includes all the activities, slides, and completed tasks. Trainer can manage the process of the training in activities with the help of button next, then it will go the next stage of the activity or the next activity, or can manage that with the help of the training content button and may choose which activity to start now. For trainer, there is an interliner with tips and hints how to do and what to do. And for participants, there can be added a description, which will guide them on what to do on the task. If virtual training includes pre-work and post-work materials, they can be found out in my training dashboard of the participant, and participant can find them in the personal account and in the training program materials. For example, pre-work and post-work materials. They can be as well with the specified deadlines. To get analytics on the behavior of a participant in the training, the responses on the content, activities, tasks, there is a special BI system which is included on Lanes. For example, in some program and training to find out how it worked out. The analysis, what happened, time, percentages, responses, and other indicators. In this video, we made an overview of the functions of Lane's platform for designing virtual training.